Sometimes in AutoCAD, when you try to open, save, or insert a file, the usual dialog box doesn't show up. Instead, AutoCAD only gives you a command line prompt. This is usually caused by a setting called FILEDIA being turned off. FILEDIA stands for File Dialog. It's a system variable that controls whether dialog boxes appear during file operations. If FILEDIA is set to 0, AutoCAD hides dialog boxes and only uses the command line. This can be confusing, especially if you're expecting the normal file window. Here's how to fix it in seconds. 1. Type FILEDIA in the command line. 2. Press Enter. 3. When it asks for a new value, type 1 and hit Enter again. That's it, your file dialogs are back. Keep this trick in mind if dialog boxes disappear again. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new or fixed a tricky problem, give us a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Your smart hub for design and solutions.